Hi, I'm Nick Merrill with Verisurf Software, here to talk to you about the Verisurf 2021 release. Tune into our complete series by subscribing to our YouTube channel and hitting that notification bell. New Verisurf 2021 has been enhanced to provide measurement and inspection solutions for the manufacturing enterprise. We've increased inspection productivity with CMM plan creation advances, particularly for 5-axis probing with the PH20, and we're super excited about 5-axis contact scanning with the Revo system. Users can also look forward to additional CMM controller support, enhancements for GD&T feature control frames and ballooning, as well as new software development kit integration tools. For more information about Verisurf 2021, check out this video series and be sure to check out the Verisurf website. Thanks, and we'll talk to you soon.